This is the unboxing of the LNS Technologies 150A plastic injection molding machine. Comes in this nice box. They crated it up pretty good. It's got 6 screws around the bottom that you need to remove. And the lid should just pop right off. And there's the machine. It's mostly intact as far as I can tell. Everything looks pretty good. Got some zip ties here that have to come off. Looks pretty good. Packaging is pretty good. They package that up. And you got the box here. A few more accessories. Comes with some pellets. This is polypropylene, natural color. Safety glasses. Pair of gloves because the molds will get pretty warm. It's like a handle extension. Got a nice padded thing here, and it'll screw in the end. Just keep screwing that all the way in. Till it stops. And they send you a sample mold for testing. And it looks like a little mini fishing lure. I think you don't know what you're going to get, but they will send a mold, I believe, with every single machine. Looks very well done. With the injection port, we'll get this all set up on the bench, lock it down, and we'll see what we got from there. But this is the LNS Technologies 150A plastic injection molding machine.